Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan 370Z step by step. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and wheel for clear sight lines and easy pedal reach. Confirm handbrake is engaged, doors locked, and dashboard shows no warning lights. Learn clutch feel and throttle response gently while stationary. Practice smooth clutch release and light acceleration in an open area. Build confidence with shifting, braking, and steering before moving into traffic. In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan 370Z step by step. Press clutch fully, select first gear, and release the handbrake gradually. Find the bite point and balance throttle while easing the clutch to prevent stalling. Keep revs moderate and make smooth, deliberate steering movements as the car begins to roll. Practice starting on a slight incline using hill hold technique with some throttle and careful clutch control. Stay calm to build consistency. In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan 370Z step by step. Quick recommendation: if you like organized gear or snacks on the go, try leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tight and stack neatly, perfect for trunk storage and post-drive meals. They make pit stops less messy and save time when you pack lunch before a drive. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to drive a Nissan 370Z step by step. Shift up through the gears using the engine's power band and downshift with rev matching for smoother transitions. Brake fully before entering a corner, then ease in steering and apply light throttle through the apex. Maintain balance with small steering corrections and keep eyes focused on your exit. Practice heel toe, downshifts in a safe area to improve smoothness and control during spirited driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.